We do have shares resuming trading, Eric. So Herbalife shares, ticker HLF, have been halted for the duration of the morning since the open or just right after the open. Those shares are now down. We'll call it about 1%. They're jumping up and down. What you can see there is down about 46 cents per share or about $38 per share. So we're down about 1.5% on Herbalife shares. Now, remember, like you said, you recap those headlines. KPMG, who is the auditor of Herbalife, has now been dismissed. Again, these are reports, again, that the auditor of KPMG, the auditor of Herbalife, has been dismissed as the auditor of that company. You would think that the share reaction perhaps is a bit muted given what was happening with regard to the halt of trading, the dismissal of their auditor, their accountants in essence. So again, those Herbalife shares are down about 1.5% right now, down about 38 cents per share. You can see, or down 61 cents now, $38 per share. So overall, Eric, Stephanie, we are seeing a reaction, but it's not typically one that we would see here. It's a lot of room to the downside that was expected, now only down about 1.5% right now, Eric.
Dom, is it not possible that the muted reaction you described, and I think it's fair to call it that, down only 1.6%, is because Herbalife has come out categorically and said that KPMG's resignation as the auditor has nothing to do with the company's financials or any concerns over auditing impropriety. There's absolutely no change to the pronouncements that KPMG has made about Herbalife's accounting and financial statements for the past 3 years. So, in other words, sort of taking that gigantic concern off the table?
That's an absolutely fair assessment to make, because it's also about the idea that when you have these kinds of announcements and you come ahead and get in front of these in terms of a public relations perspective, you've also had a trading halt that's allowed a lot of investors, a lot of traders to be able to digest the information that's come out, give them a timely way to go about figuring out whether or not this stock is fairly valued at the current level. So, yes, the trading halt helped out. The idea that they can come out and categorically say that, no, these are not issues related to our financials or any kind of misstatements of financials, that certainly helps out as well. But the trading halt, it served its purpose. It allowed traders and investors to really take time to digest what was happening, and that's perhaps one of the reasons why you're seeing that muted reaction in those shares, Eric.